I'm coming.
With you, may I do something? I'm in a shop, alright.
Petrol low today. Goodie, wait till tomorrow. What is it, Natty? Petrol low, no. Me I stop at the petrol station. Even if me have a blood clot, go put in some petrol and drive left the blood clot pump. Yeah, me need for hurry up and go up there, man. Yeah, because the bitch had 6 sets. She had take set for me like baby up here. Yeah. Yeah, una idiot in a foreign have nothing to live for. So we're gonna show the world so we don't have nothing to live for. We're just gonna fuck up the whole thing and just done it once and for all today. What you say? We just fuck it up. Me I come up here. Cause no girl me not afraid of, no girl, no guy, nobody been afraid of. Wait, I'm going up there. I'm going up there. Me don't know what record. Somebody come there, so meet me up there. And me wait to take me about. Me don't know what the traffic can know. Me just left my yard. Yeah. But listen up, people. You see how it hurt when time them a cuss my kids, them remember you know they curse my kids. Then when she go start cuss my pitney them, then everybody else start follow and make fake page and cuss my kids them. But it hurt now because somebody else come from my life and curse the kids them. Now you feel my blood clot pain, bitch. Now you feel my pain. All this time you've been cussing my children. You've been cussing behind fake page, and then when time come with my real page, you go with the real page and you cuss my kids them. But you don't understand. Yeah? Whatever is good for the goose is good for the gander. And at the end of the day, this argument started with you ghosts cussing my kids, who forgot the time when she put on the live, and she say, one heap of them come under my life and them a rub out me pitney them. And when them a rub out me kids them, if people them from my life will like me and dead, and I say, no, stop it. Stop it, you know, say me to pitney them, block them. And I says, leave them alone, let them cuss my kids. And you and your cumbalook them wanna rub out my kids them. Me never hear nobody in a Birmingham I say, ghost, stop rub out the people them pitney. Wanna sit down on the top behind a closed door and say the ghost wrong and I share to the page them. All who wanna jump up and fight me, no one in an argument with me and son I go gang me. And uno and I make the fake page them. And uno and I do the blood clot Dunnings. Yeah? You understand now? Me wrong for cuss kids. But I'm telling you this, I see which part me come from a Jamaica. When we are cuss, we don't have no morals about us. We go very low. Yeah? We go very, 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 very low. So if you can't anger the kids thing, don't make your friend them and you don't come for me behind a no fake page with my pitney them. You understand? And what day I went to you come tell me about me for come suck near hood. You dirty nasty ghost tell me about some for come and near hood. No, you never say me for come suck near hood. I like me I tell. You say may I live by near like me want suck near hood. That was your exact words. Yeah? She said that. She said me I live by near like me want suck near hood. So if me come back and say, Neo, come suck my pussy, wanna vex for? She never accuse John me for come suck Neo hood. So why wanna vex to me say Neo come suck me? Wanna vex about that for enough vex because she said me a suck Neo hood and me a pedophile and me want fuck off Neo. So now, whatever people be at work with business wise, when them hear somebody passing a remark say me want suck Neo hood, you look like that me want do. The people them is gonna look and said, but what kind of woman this? One suck like a penny order. You said that, the ghost. You said it on your live. But when she start the things, them una always act like say she right. I wanna figure out about what she said. But through my mouth more peppery and more fiercey, when me say the blood clot things, them, uno. When me say the blood clot things, them, uno earth. You understand? Uno blood clot earth. Come suck me. The whole lot of uno, me nah look no friend in a Birmingham. The man where they fuck me, I love up my pussy and camera come to Birmingham. Me and him left long time. And the government responds to me. Because when I come to Birmingham, a GK they responds to me.
Colleen.
Yeah?
Colleen. You got prison much time, don't it? You have money, call Michael and your cute baby, don't it? I'm a cousin them. Please, never again. I mean, nobody pan the blood clot like boost up, go up there. You have your career in your hand and shot, make you shoot them down like a bullet.
It's a kill them,
avoid war, have a contention. Monique and Michael, when they go to prison, who want to take your opinion and treat them like how you can treat them?
I've been there, done that, and I'm got prison already, you know.
You don't need, yeah, you've been there, me been there, we don't need it. You know, living for your kids, Carleen. You're living for your kids, I would that day, yes. You're living for your kids right now. Elevate yourself. Yeah, your sister, your thing shut a road, make them stay behind, them a foot mat. Make them stay behind and not go nowhere. If nobody come say you come up there, you come make trouble. That's all them want. No make your car, no make yourself low like that. Your esteem must high. She not have no self-esteem. That's why our sister-in-law, cause I tell her you don't need no more. She don't get a write-off book already. I know you write the book, or the sister-in-law write the book. So here where you have Monique, Michael, and your baby to deal with. Please, because of them need you. Michael and Monique need you. Monique going university. She need you. She need you. You know, worth it right now. You're bigger than that. Show a cockroach say, you spray them with your career. I spray the cockroach them right now and I kill them. So them can't catch you. So that's why them cannot come fly for you. You know the flying cockroach them? And them you spray for you right now. So right now you don't go need to circle yourself. Leave waste people because they have nothing better in England to do more than make contention, and because they know so this is a police country. I work with them, and once you touch them are weapon, you have to touch them. Word is win, girl. Word is win. Motivate yourself. You motivate, you elevate. I don't know, girl send for you come here, sir. Listen, I don't know, girl send for you come and say, you good pussy, me uncle fuck. I send for you come to England, give you 2 beautiful kids, whatever. You're there, you shot your career, and you'll be a single mother up until these days. Your kids, them look good, you don't give a fuck what people want to say. Words meant to say, learn to take criticism, accept criticism. Yeah, because that's how you motivate yourself. Every word they speak against you and your family life, use it as a ladder and build yourself. Now listen to where waste cockroach people are saying. You know what I'm saying? It better you go on over here to cook your kids them food. Leave cockroach to them own judgment, because what you not do to them, somebody else will do to them. You don't get a slap up in our face, I know you do it. You don't do it now, I that them want you to do. You know, that they no worth your time. Are you write your own book and give it to them? But them take too much time. And them give but are you write your own book? You write your own story and give them to read it. Or you put out your book out in a story. That's why them are read it. You write your own story and the cockroach them are read it, and that's why them are get mad. You know, so none of them can't lick you because your in-law head sitting on blood clot and we roll a Birmingham. You know, Cassandra, Mudface and all who are coming, none of them can't lick you because you want their foreign calling. Not because them change their Birmingham. I know you're alone there. Calling, I know you're alone there. I don't really bad, I know you're alone there. I know you're alone there. So all the women that talk about say, don't carry your daughter. Listen, don't put my little cousin name in a no comment on the page. You hear me? I say, you don't listen to Carleen, you don't listen to blood clot Carleen. And Carleen I'm in no trouble, and if you don't care listen to Carleen, don't rub in money and my call name, not that blood clot. And I'll ask kids, Carleen, go home to your kids them. Go home to your kids them. If me not have good to say, I'm not saying. Go home to your kids. I mean, not take the press button. You don't know, yes, girl, and you set your trend. No girl not set no trend for your girl if you come meet you if them want to beat you. I say you deal with talking. You know what I mean? Let them keep talking because word is win. And the word when them speak against your life, I motivate and recognize that day. So you don't need with that right. Don't go, but I'm commenting. I tell you, say don't go. You just can't wheel and press gas and dust bad mind. When you see bad mind, that's what God bless you with. God bless you with a career, He bless you with 3 kids, and He bless you if you motivate yourself. Leave iniquity alone. Make them stay, not give them no time of the day when them talk. When you ignore people, the best insult that you ever give them in a life. Remember me been down that road and I can't tell you. Me chat that journey there, and the amount of talk people talk about me, I'm still standing firm. So show them say you're still strong, you're still strong. No make what them say, because guess what? Them a look fear and them a use you as a little weapon to get for them outgoing, and you now still not work for them. They still not work for them. Them a use savage and them still not get the savage where they're supposed to get. Them a get ton calm. Them a get pluck. A plug them I get. Them still not get the savage. Them I get the plug and them still not see that. Go home to your kids. Them a plug them I get. And that if you tell me say plug you know I get, you know I get savage, you know I get plug. Savage in a different lane. When you not see me alive, I'm calling. But when you see me on my motivation road, a savage my name. You understand? Calling for them in the street, savage in your business. You see me?
Yeah,
go home to your kids, them. You get me? You know, worth it, girl. Because you don't know, say, I'm clearing that we come from, we not take talk. We head hit it. We hig it for people. You understand? Go home right now. You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. Me no girl press your button. You set your strength. You understand? Go home.
So the channel them have to follow. Boy, pull it.
Yeah, I spray cockroach them, man. Because I know the running one and I flying cockroach them. I flying cockroach them I chill your car. Remember say if them not flying now, them can't catch you, you know. So two them want fly now, then when you give them the time of the day, don't give them the time of the day, you give them it, they might catch up on you. Spray them constantly with your success.
You know why she told me so? Because she look at bus. She said she want to
any bus she want, because the red bus of England should drive, man. Don't give her no bus. And the big dirty red bus, sometimes they're not clean. You ever go in the bus, them and saw them stink. I saw the girl fi drive pan them bus. They not your bus. I carry your drive. Don't give her no bus. She can't come in your car.
Prestige, blood clot.
Yeah. I carry your drive a bus. She fi go pan. The big dirty stinking red bus where they want air freshener pan. And them the bus that she have to get. Not in your car. Don't give her the time of the day.
I eat that.
I call it. I chew me did the work. Me never. I chew sometimes me the work.
Yeah.
And you know my job go be see. You know my job go be serious with my job.
Okay.
You know, say in a police station, me work, so me have to serious because no pussy hole can log in and then come and see everything where take place. Then you me tell Money say me vision share in a coat in a white, and when Money can I say, cause I wear white, I couldn't believe it. Prosperity over your family. Yeah, me couldn't believe me call him say cause me dream see I wear white go coat. And when me call her, she said cause you know say white me wear, me say prosperity. Me say go in there with no fear. And one man you fear, I got your fear. When I see the cockroach them, you look up in them face. Cause you don't fear them, not dear. You understand? Don't give them the bus they call in. You know if you do, you saw them calling them, they tell him man say you keep a bus ride. They rent a big bus. Tell him say you keep a bus ride we call Eaters bus, and you park it up right in the town hall shopping center, and it's free of cost. Anybody bad man you run on. And so you feel rent one of them big dirty bus there. Put right in the town center one day, and say anybody bad man me run on. And that you do them. Don't give them the time of the day. Just rent a big bus and say bad man run on. You will see whole heap of people ain't out there. You don't see much people that come out there, so you don't say them who bad mind you. You don't know who bad mind you. Don't give them the time of the day, go home. You have your kids them calling, go home. You see if you want people that look up on you to motivate them right now. You understand? You don't want them there one day. You know what? Hey, the suck your stinking big stretch out elastic boomer pussy. Dirty girl. We are coming to about go away now. You know you not get involved in other relationship here. You not get involved in other relationship here. You think Carleen more dirty? Me not do pretty.
I don't know.
Me not do pretty.
Imagine one girl.
Me not do pretty.
So much blood clot, girl. On the upstairs and can't cause.
Yeah. Carleen, you're my in-law. My uncle sent for you come here, sir. And your pussy bring you come to England and give you two beautiful kids and the one where you get outside. I will still love the one where you get outside. Them know you reach us, sir? Them know you reach us, sir? I know drugs you carry in your pussy. I know infant to reach a foreign. And your great old bring you come because your uncle talk about it old when he come a foreign. And him say, I have to take care. Not even 3 months good you meet him, have to send for you because your good well great. Yeah. So who talk? No know nothing about your lifestyle. Who is talking then don't know nothing about your lifestyle, and people will sit down for live and listen to crosses and things like that's how the story go. It don't goes like that. No for them have to carry drugs up and need them pussy and inform and sell out family and carry up one bag of things and steal the pan concrete and sleep. You motivate yourself. Although my uncle is not here, you motivate yourself and we're proud of you.
Thanks. Me are them biggest motivation, you know. Because you know that me motivate the bitch. Because I motivate her to get her house, I motivate
yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
I motivate her to start.
But call in. Remember, say I know you're drive carry, not call in. Remember, I know you're drive carry. Remember the old BM them? Call in. Remember the old long time BM them? Some big BM. The long time BM them when my uncle put her on the steering now, not gone. And two things I can't tell you say, so when you come to your food, you know around people can feel your plate full of anybody else would be, you can't eat. So your body will take care and feed. Especially when my uncle cook for your food there on table long time like a queen. You live luxury life a foreign. You may be better choose but you live luxury life.
Yeah.
You live a life, you live a lovely life. Because I tell you, say, if Shotty was here and that girl touch money, he can never, another pretty kind of police, not get involved. And dead, she a blood clot, dead. God know why Shotty is not here, because I tell you, say, you know, left a treasure blood clot for and they are prisoner to life imprisonment now. So she get it constantly. So people think, say, you have a nice baby father, you know, pretty. Monica Michael father, no nice.
More time from when them put money for paper.
And remember, say, I the funny mommy about it. You never tell none away. As hear me get cross, hungry, miserable like bounty killer. So who no know nothing about your life, not for running. You understand? Then she say, Clarendon people are fool. I cut out people try to run while you chew them tongue and run them way. My brother blood clot bad man a Clarendon. Me have 4 blood clot brother, bad blood clot a bad man. No pussy can't fuck with me. I them run Clarendon right now. And no pussy pan no life can't talk to me and think say you're in a Clarendon and safe. When you feel blood clot know that. No girl can't chat up to you. They're not even blood clot know that.
And I say, yo, me have so and so to defend my thing. Me can't, to me know me can defend myself. So when them run out
of course you can blood clot defend your face. Cause you're not idiot. You're not idiot, girl. But I show you, you want to show them say you're not fit them league right now. And them I bring in a year league. Them want you and them feel in the same category. And it don't make sense because if I want to say elevate yourself, you have to elevate to come out of the ghetto where you're in, to go in upon the smooth road. You know, then if you take a page out of gully back book and take a page out of yearbook, even if you were in the gully with them, you slide out of the gully and got not clean water and leave them in the gully. So they expect you to slide backward? No. I forward you go home to your kids them. Go home to your kids them. When you go to prison now, the mother get the best of you. You understand?
I say yes, sir, in prison, yeah.
Yeah. That's why when you go to prison, the mother say, oh yes, savage, they are prison now, career done. No. Show them say your career still on the fly like a British flag. Show them say it go aye. Leave crosses alone. Leave crosses alone. Leave them alone. Sometimes when you hear them become comment. Yeah, sometimes you hear them make a comment on Facebook, just look on it and say, not today. Not today. Yeah. Over to you, Jesus. Sometimes you see them make some comment and attack some word. No, give them no reply. Just say, over to you, Jesus. And over the enemy to God. And make him deal with them for you. And you sit down, you watch how God working in favor for you. Sometimes you have to leave the enemy them to your creator. Sometimes you have to leave your enemies to your creator. Remember, so the Bible says, love your enemy according to you love yourself. So you don't love them and hand over the case to God. Make him deal with them for you, because as long as you are say God, you will never fail in thy kingdom.
That's true, man.
You understand? Leave them to time. Leave them to time. You have money, Michael, and you're cute, look a brownie. Leave them to time. No make nobody call you if you come press no button and you talk, but you don't go nowhere. Go home, cook your picnic them food, and you don't relax in your bed. You talk to who you talk to, and you relax. No make nobody jar you out. 2020 I come, you're supposed to step in higher. The next thing when them see you, I I want big mansion Jeep. Them supposed to see a push down. And they just print out cartel picture on the back and on the side. So, and I just see who a collapse. Make them dead. That's why you do your enemies them. You must liberty upon the enemies them neatly. I say if you do them, next 2020, you just use your motivate and get a bigger Jeep. Because you decide you're not going to Pambos safari no more. When you go Pambos, unless I just a traffic, you run out of your house, figure somewhere and traffic wall you. Get a bigger Jeep and put cartel on the side that I'm calling savage. And see who drop them and dead. Or you use your motivate and lick out your enemies them. And motivate to use and lick them out.
The cartel link up them are running like a blood.
You want to touch all up on the British here we are now and the visit cartel or prisoner and make a look of song and flap out the whole of them now so and see how much people get collapsed. Your names who give them strokes in their mouth.
Yeah, true man. Them live on one girl, so true one girl come here and do good.
Yeah, it's true man. Someone when they go high, you go when they go low, you go high. It's true. Focus. Focus, Carleen. Focus. Negativity, live with it because my mind are Carleen. You see pop stars. Look, a whole heap of pop stars. People criticize, you know. Look, a whole heap of pop stars you see getting comment. You see, none of them appear. Nobody no mind. They're making them their money. They're making their money. They not pay nobody no mind. So you do the same. No pay them no mind. Make them do all them comments. You want to give them all 2 months worth of knowings. As if them not fi stop. After you giving them knowing and a reply, me no say at something you want to answer them, bite your lip.
But
bite your lip and say, not you
reply
see
no money. But you see anytime them see me do something successful, them start up again.
Yeah, I more you do good, I more you do greater. Yeah.
Them see me do the little video over there, yeah? I really if to put it up, them start again. Them see me throw up the Vybz Kartel album cover. Them start me a fake page and them start inbox Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel no look for DM. I was coach about now. No look for plus.
Yeah.
Never answer.
But Carleen, no matter what you do, you have haters. You have good and you have bad and you have the old lady. So no matter what you do, you're gonna get criticism in life. So you have to learn to live, accept it and live with it, girl.
Yeah, man.
You have to learn to accept it and live with it. There's 2 things in life. Remember, Satan was one of God, the angel, you know, until he betrayed God, you know. And God have to run him out of the camp. So when you run the enemies them out of your camp, then have nothing more to do. Don't pay them no mind. No, pay them no mind. Remember, Jesus carried the cross here 80 and 2 miles.
Yeah.
And remember, same I would for people forsake him. So if people forsake you, I just your time this. People, you just see same haters them, where hate you and run come out with your foot. Leave them to time, Carl. You know, you know when you go to talk, but you have to fight nobody. Focus on your career right now, girl. Your career is short like British Airways, and that you need to focus on. Notice a British Airways take a rest. Every day British Airways fly out, I say your career a fly. You just stay like Tams where them people that want just go charter flight. A charter them a charter your life. So make them charter it. They're expensive.
Yeah, true.
They're expensive. Make them charter you. Don't pay them no mind.
One officer boss, I will me not pay them no mind. Them go to people where they run me. I'm trying to attack people where they run.
But Carleen, this is what I'm saying to you. I'm your in-law, but I'm saying this to you. I'm Monique, Michael, cause I'm your in-law. You're my uncle, baby mother, regardless of what. Nobody, I'm not take no side. That's why Puss not like me. Puss will never like me because I'm not gonna take no side with nobody. Regardless of yes, if you do me something, me will call in your inbox and tell you, me not come life because me you don't talk and criticize her. No, me will call in your inbox and tell you. But me, for life, now to put it down. I remember you're the worst enemy. I will never put it down. You know what I'm saying? Calling criticism, you have to learn to accept it. Remember that. You don't use brains, you use wisdom upon people. You're educated, and wisdom you use upon people, not knowledge. Wisdom is the one you use at people. Learn to accept criticism. That make you stronger. That make you stronger. Criticism make you stronger. When people banter on you, learn to accept it. Because what God have in store for you, no man cannot stop what God dealing for you. And you alone can stop that on him. You understand? Learn to accept criticism. That's the only encouragement me can give you right now. Learn to accept criticism. Live with the criteria. Oh, you're going out there big now and start tour. Every day you get up and you're going pan flight, you don't get it more and more. You have white people, black people, Asian, African, China, Guyanese, all sorts of nations that start criticizing. So learn to accept it by now, girl. Look for Miss Kitty. You're one of Miss Kitty. Me know say you motivate for Miss Kitty to Yannick. You think if motivate people was talking about them and they was looking to people that I read so far, follow those people footsteps, Colleen, and motivate yourself. Leave out waste people. When them talk, make it big today. Make it going at July with a different settings for them. That's what I want you to do. Now pay them no mind. Me now don't come and say yes, Colleen, bash. No. If I don't lick you, let they speak. You learn to accept criticism, Colleen. And that build you further. You hear me? No make nobody do you. No make nobody dry out. Love you and have a nice day.
Yeah, big up yourself, just Chris. Big up, just
Alright, yeah.
Marty, thanks.
Yeah.
Big up and love you too.
Alright, love you, yeah.
Bye, peeps. Why is this not working? People, thank you, Marty, very much. And yeah, well, I left it to that God, and you get me, because I gotta listen to my family. So I'm picking them family. Hear my turn. But when I'm not ready, I'm still ready. Okay? Bye, guys.